Is the land down under ready for the Kraken? That's the question buzzing in the ears of Aussie crypto enthusiasts. You're keen to dive into the world of digital assets, and Kraken, a name that resonates with seasoned traders globally, has likely popped up on your radar. But navigating the regulatory landscape of cryptocurrency in Australia can feel like trekking through the outback without a map. So, is Kraken a viable option for Australians looking to buy, sell, and trade crypto? What hoops do they have to jump through to operate here? And what kind of support can you expect when you're dealing with your hard-earned Aussie dollars in the volatile world of crypto? Let's unpack this, layer by layer, like peeling back the skin of a perfectly ripe mango. Australia has been steadily carving out its approach to cryptocurrency regulation. It's not the Wild West some might imagine, nor is it a tightly controlled fortress. Instead, the country is aiming for a balanced approach, fostering innovation while safeguarding consumers. Key to this is the role of AUSTRAC, the Australian Transaction Reports and Analysis Centre. AUSTRAC is the financial intelligence agency responsible for overseeing compliance with anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing laws. For cryptocurrency exchanges like Kraken to operate legally in Australia, they must register with AUSTRAC. This registration process involves providing detailed information about their business operations, implementing robust KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, procedures, and reporting suspicious activities. Think of it like getting a license to operate a financial service within the Australian framework. It's a crucial step that demonstrates a commitment to transparency and accountability. So, the burning question remains, has Kraken secured this all-important AUSTRAC registration? The answer, as of my last update, is yes. Kraken is registered with AUSTRAC and is permitted to offer its services to Australian residents. This is a significant point because it signifies that Kraken has met the necessary regulatory requirements to operate within the Australian legal framework. It provides a level of assurance that the platform is adhering to Australian laws designed to protect users and prevent illicit activities. However, registration is just one piece of the puzzle. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is constantly evolving globally, and Australia is no exception. While Kraken is currently registered, it's essential for users to stay informed about any potential future regulatory changes that might impact their operations or the services offered. Now, let's talk about what this means for you, the Aussie crypto enthusiast. With Kraken's AUSTRAC registration, you can generally expect to access a range of services offered by the platform. This typically includes the ability to deposit and withdraw Australian dollars, AUD. This is a fundamental requirement for most Australian users. Being able to seamlessly move funds between your bank account and the exchange is crucial for convenience and accessibility. Trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Kraken is known for its extensive list of supported digital assets, ranging from major players like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, to a diverse selection of altcoins. Utilize different trading options. Depending on your experience level and trading strategy, Kraken often offers various order types, including market orders, limit orders, and advanced options like margin trading and futures, though the availability of these more complex features might be subject to specific regulatory considerations and user verification levels. Access staking services. For certain cryptocurrencies, Kraken may offer staking, allowing you to earn rewards on your holdings by participating in the network's operations. Benefit from Kraken's security measures. As a well-established global exchange, Kraken invests heavily in security protocols to protect user funds and data. This includes measures like two-factor authentication, cold storage of the majority of assets, and regular security audits. However, it's crucial to understand that just because Kraken operates in Australia doesn't mean all its global features are necessarily available here. Regulatory nuances and specific licensing conditions can sometimes lead to variations in the services offered in different jurisdictions. For instance, certain high-risk or complex financial products might be restricted in Australia to comply with local regulations aimed at protecting retail investors. This brings us to the crucial aspect of support. When you're navigating the often complex world of cryptocurrency, having reliable support is paramount. If you encounter an issue with a transaction, have questions about verification, or need assistance with any aspect of the platform, you want to know that help is readily available and tailored to your needs as an Australian user. So, what kind of support can you expect from Kraken in Australia? Localized customer support. Ideally, a platform operating in Australia should offer customer support that understands the local context. This might include support agents familiar with Australian banking systems, time zones, and common issues faced by Australian users. While Kraken is a global platform, having access to support that can address your queries with an understanding of the Australian financial landscape is a significant advantage. Multilingual support. While English is widely spoken in Australia, Kraken's global presence means they often offer support in multiple languages, which can be beneficial for a diverse user base. Comprehensive Help Center and FAQs. A well-structured help center with frequently asked questions, FAQs, specific to Australian users can be an invaluable resource. This allows you to find quick answers to common queries regarding account setup, verification, deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Look for information tailored to AUD transactions and any specific Australian regulatory requirements. Ticket-based support. For more complex issues that require detailed investigation, a ticket-based support system is often employed. This allows you to submit your query and receive a response from a support agent. The responsiveness and quality of this support are crucial factors to consider. Live chat support. Real-time assistance through live chat can be incredibly helpful for urgent issues or when you need immediate clarification. Check if Kraken offers live chat support for Australian users and the availability hours. Community forums and resources. While not direct support from Kraken, active community forums and resources can be beneficial for connecting with other Australian users, sharing experiences, and finding solutions to common problems. Kraken might host or actively participate in such communities. It's always a good practice to check Kraken's official Australian website or support pages for the most up-to-date information on their support channels and availability for Australian users. Look for specific contact details or support portals dedicated to the Australian region. Beyond regulation and support, there are other factors Australian users should consider when choosing a cryptocurrency exchange like Kraken. Fees. Understand the fee structure for trading, deposits, and withdrawals in AUD. Compare these fees with other exchanges available in Australia to ensure you're getting a competitive rate. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.